This connector was right up here. I just pushed this red pin down with the flathead, popped it down, got it out the way. And I said, I'm really not doing this for repair purposes only, but you may see something in this video that you may not see in the other videos. Just gonna use a flathead. I'm being aggressive because I don't have to put none of this back together. That, and also this is a blooded area, and I don't want to be in this area longer than I have to be. So I'm trying to do it quick and efficiently as possible. Right. Get you out the way. Now I'm just starting to pop tabs and work my way back, pulling out all the connectors that I can. Right, in hopes that I pull the right ones that I need, so I don't have to actually take out this computer completely. I'm hoping that I could just disconnect them. Sorry if I wasn't clear on how to pop the little tabs, flip them over, and yank it out. Green tab. Push that down. Get that out the way. And like I said, aftermarket alarm. Hence the reason. So let's hope that I got out what I needed. I can yank this out. Let's see. Whew. Let's see. Alright. Not done yet. Alright. See what we got to do left. Take this computer out the way completely.